President, the CEO of Wizzy Empire, Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin.
But the Nigeria for by say, and I start some new year, understand who's more in Nigeria for. Right me by here, then to Africa, or Nigeria for 10.
And we are Igwe. It's all about Angesboat TV. But Multimedia, I'm the fresh boy, Papa Jenny, in Crow. It's all about Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin, Great Minds International School, and then a speech and prize giving day, graduation. So I can be and telling penny for baby number of supporting a Kwadwo Nkansah. I in Crow, I hear Obi Amanabesin and I, or 2 for so Obi Amanabesin and I, and a businessman, baby, Papa Shamo, and so Eba, it's young Corny and Kochahawa, Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin, as Tommy, and no bedo an atmosphere in SSI right here at Iron Crow. Young Kosher speech and prize giving day, no. Niama air cost was and Colorado so Ediasa Eka poems a konokonopa. Young Air cost was this year. Sabre and the President, the CEO of Wizzy Empire and the founder of Great Minds International School, Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin. Sabre Wababe Drew, a speech and prize giving day, no I say. And yes, I'm Ketwa. Wizzy Empire and Nkansah. The can was Church and Nkansah. Sabre and our Baby Drew a program now. Records said, did you hear that? The manager real money. Wizzy Empire. President of Wizzy Empire. Sabe Wababe Drew program na bouncer one bakope eso ewa ha ana ni manager Ray money Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin Obedu ye no Euphoria na asesa bibia asesa ono ni manager Ray money Wababe Drew program no ekoso ewo ya Ahinkro School Park. The proprietor of Great Minds International School. And I have costume or the baby have costume or the ebeba program no because another every on resist Ibrahim Chori. You have costume or the bouncer nations bouncer was also a businessman. What to Chicago for ma? There be some mechanic ma why any bino. Bouncer what? Who do a doom na ope obi obanyini ma papa to bouncer. Bouncer one was a baby ah. Ayo juma na che. Mo bouncer group no kwa mudi na so de mami o. Yes, bouncer one security. Baby ah obeba be bobai. Guys, any costume na no she. Costume na no she. We Nigeria for life o. Ese ni Nigeria for neko. Omuzo wa dai. Oh, omubu. Ka igwe. Nigeria president say what I
want to say, but the Nigeria for by say, one from what above, so mention any munyam. And I start some new year to understand more in Nigeria for right me by here, then to Africa or Nigeria for 10 and ever.
And I want Nigeria costume.
Yes.
And we are Igwe. On a nanom. Majari. Genius live here. And then sir, you ever see you Kuma? Enemy also, which bloggers. Of Great Minds International School. Doctor. Say the bloggers no any other when I know I'm a week about the truth. That's right. It's a Obedu e fans no ayesonko. Fans no ayesonko. After Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin. Na enye ize wa hapa. Ize wa hapa. Kwadwo is a great minds international school. And my father says so come on. Sorry, the proprietor of Grace Minds International School, Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin. And I know the because you just be crying, That's why we see Ghana's favorite. Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin say no, they are Nigeria for Nigeria president so feeling into us anymore. Into us Igbo for dressing. Igbo dressing and another one.
Favorite actor, musician, and comedian, Mr. Trending Guy. Yes, man is seated. All cameras on the great minds. Please, you can take your seat.
So, Sabi, what's happening? Nana no more so atase. Nana no more so atase. On the manager, and a speech and prize giving day. Great Minds International School. Oh, yeah, Nigeria ni ba kwa ba chiro. Me control affairs. Ray, that's so Saturday. Isa to Isa from Eba Jumede na say no.
See yourself at one particular side for us, please.
Diplomatic call.
Discipline should be the key over here. Please.
Businessmen, Omunyina Amba, Omo Shema Bibia Koso. So that's Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin. Obedu ye no Bibia Sisa. Energy no Asisa. It tells you how Ghana is Edono. It's a Koso where I am crew. Official in Grow, a Great Minds International School, no, or government school park, and so, and a speech and prize giving day, no, El Coso. If you have one so, Ewa Hanoma just say, more Tronio, and the Emma, Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin, Yasa Kitwakra. Fans are more than Malaway, I know.
Thank you.
Or any Wahabi brain, fans are more than Mano, and Papa.
Secondary director. Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin, Baba Bedru.
Yes, Baba Bedru.
Screen is on.
Grace Minds for
see him and then feel him.
Hello, more air to you, man.
On a school no era.
We praise.
And the name is Kwadwo Nkansah
So Philadelphia Adesema and Omo Antonium Edema Apostle Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin. Philadelphia Adesema. Philadelphia Adesema and no. It's all about Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin. Said Enkorano esi Omo Wafa. Omo nyina students and the people of Great Minds International School. Omo esi Omo kama pa.
So and a BS3. So every upper class. And I'm getting to the lower class.
Great Minds International School.
BS1.
Omo Kobe 1,000 plus. Enti students libi na wo ho omo no. And then Parents ni be so na e wa say no.
Yes, umbra
Sabe wa ba bedu teaching de nyina beto aso.
Yebe school nti e de wa ha eni abema Ghana's favorite actor, musician, comedian, Dr. Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin.
The doctor
De wa ha no. Tese obano so ni school yi mu a wadama next time obano so ebeka ho. Obani sia de na face so nyame adoma chede a wo ne mu no so wetimi epie abonten na krai e de bituma. JHS3, all students, almost Yamia Domoa, almost senior high school, almost so Elha, Elgaduti, Moho Papa, a few, and so well, no, almost cha, a Chani pan, the extension, and now Wayek, Edema, or more, Obiana, single number.
Foundation, build true quality education, discipline, integrity, and hard work. Madam Chairperson, at Great Minds International School, we are privileged to learn in an environment that nurtures creativity, innovation, and leadership. Through the dedication of our teachers and unwavering support from our parents, the vision of our director, who is also a role model and commitment of all stakeholders, we are being equipped with the knowledge, confidence, and character needed to be meaningful contributions to our communities and our nation. To our graduating class, congratulations on reaching this important milestone. Your journey has not always been easy, but through determination, commitment, and the support from the teachers and your parents, you have made it. Congrats. We hope your success will bring and encourage others to give their very best in everything they do. Nana Nkose, Nana no, Ipenifo a Eshiaka. Great Minds International School Mamu Akava. And it's supposed to be a new Moody Jumake say. Obey Ama Sukui and you now. Because Sukui and Namase, sign Mamu Akava with you. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, you are all warmly welcome to this memorable occasion. Long live Great Minds, long live Ghana. Thank you.
Thank you. Protocol prophets. Excellency, Angel Asari, Sarafina. All right, thank you very much. That's a beautiful welcome.
Sabre, Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin na mfoni bia ba Shamo so ababeju ha say Shamo, Jojo Kasa wa lanchere wa na. Ano adem papa. Shamo enso ababeju. Kasa na ansala no. That's right. It's all about Great Minds International School, speech and prize giving and graduation day. Speech, prize giving and graduation day. Yeah, bodyguards now landing in there. You more know.
I commend the management, staff, and the entire school community for the results we celebrate today. To our graduates, congratulations. Today marks a significant milestone in your academic journey. You have completed a stage that has demanded discipline, sacrifice, and hard work. Not just from you, but from your parents, guardians, teachers who have walked this road with you. Take a moment to appreciate how far you have come. Great Minds International School has over the years built a reputation for producing
well-grounded, disciplined, shining light of education within the Kwadwo framework. This did not happen by accident. It is a deliberate investment by management.
The regional education director and already speech so to a
the founder of this great institution, Mr. Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin, for his vision and investment in education of our children. That a man celebrated as one of Ghana's most finest entertainers, who has channeled his resources into building a school of this standard, speaks to a rare and a commendable set of purpose. It is one thing to achieve fame, and fortunately, it is another one thing to turn that success into a lasting legacy and shape young minds. Great Minds International School stands today as a testament to what is possible when talent is paired with genuine commitment to community. We encourage other individuals of means to follow this shining example of our brother Kwadwo Nkansah Lilwin. First, let the learning be a lifelong pursuit, not something that ends with certificates. The world is changing rapidly, and only those who keep learning will remain relevant. To parents and graduates, thank you for the successes and the sacrifices you continue to make education of simple as. Your support at home, meaning to the teaching and non-teaching staff, your dedication to duty does not go unnoticed. You are shaping the future of this.
International School. The School of Creativity. Nana Papa Sokopa, Nabe Onsel, Nana Kubeni Kazi. Second time CV and FM, F on the line. TV and FM. And F on the line for no quality pictures, quality sounds. Secretary, Yeni H.M. Media Kasia Ghana has a say Obodo Pia and Pomuji on General Manager. Wano ene media no ano epano privileges afemso ono so ene jano etino Dr. Kenki Lawson Media and Lawson Company Limited yet manager and assembly ono so etua efrano Ghana keje radio kama over supporting a great minds Multimedia and then it's Dr. Kenki from Lawson Media Lawson Company on them children are Argentina now and Chiaso Ejino. Fefe Pansupa and Yasan Kitwa. Yes, second side CV and FM on the line. What do you say? Streamlink. And so, and your content video and so. Angesboat TV. Travis. Original and you go to the rapper crew. Empowering People's Group. Philadelphia. You must walk out. I don't know. Yes. And then the only apostle. No way. No, don't see. No, don't see. And I know. I'm going to say, Kutu. Say, Bam. And the better the tea. Papa. Lawyer. I'm watching. Lawyer. Honorable. Pana. I don't know the Roma. Honorable. I don't know any Mama Mata. Mommy, you want to show.
Okay. A friend indeed is a friend indeed.
Dear voter, Kejame.
Better late than never.
Il ne faut pas juger sous l'apparence.
Don't judge a book by its cover.
C'est un faute qu'on devient forgeron.
Practice makes perfect.
Arrow, fait comme le Romain.
Hand in a Rome, do as the Romans do.
L'avenue appartient à ceux qui se levantent tôt.
The early bird catches the worm.
They are vive à la mienne.
Two heads are better than one.
Quand on veut, on peut.
Where there is a way.
Tout ce qui brûle n'est pas.
All that glitters is no good.
On n'a rien sans rien.
No pay, no gain.
L'honnêteté est la meilleure politique.
Honesty is the best policy.
Il faut réfléchir avant d'agir.
Look before you reap.
Un point à temps, un dossier.
A stitch in time saves nine.
On récolte ce que l'on sait.
You reap what you sow.
Qui se ressemble s'assemble.
Birds of feather flock together.
Troupe de cuisiniers gâtant la sauce.
Too many cooks spoil the food.
Il faut battre les faits pendant qu'il est chaud.
Strike while the iron is hot.
Loin des yeux, loin du cœur.
Out of sight, out of mind.
Lève et tu pouvais aimer.
The grass is always greener on the other.
Hello.
One shot and out.
For my friend Ayadia. Yes, no more. Young bless you. Get to be a supporter. So no say. We're sending crying.
Kaona.
How for the money you fit.
Il ne faut pas juger sous la
Me
parole.
cara en farrodo.
Don't buy them as that please you.
Les savoirs sont
Knowledge is power.
rien n'est de
Ouais.
Il faut partir.
Congratulations. Au boss, man.
La laisser est meilleure.
Curiosity kills the cat.
La plume est plus forte que le pain.
The pen is mine.
Do Kumawood, don't know kind of board.
Ça est sur Kumawood.
Do Kumawood, not car board. Nana Chel.
Bien que nous ramassons.
A rolling stone that is
Round and second.
Hey.
What the budget is never quite easy.
Thank you. Well done. That's right. Thank you. Opetemako. Thank you, preschool. Word for mercy and an yes, see that was say 112. Director, do something.
Saya mohon orang lain school. Omong jauh-jauh.